looks kind of small, buddy.
A different smell?
Kind of.
Different smell?
I think you could stand on it.
Oh. So different?
Catherine. Catherine, come back here.
I'm really stuck.
You're really stuck.
No. I'm not stuck anymore.
Is that baby on?
Uh-huh.
Jump out and show Mommy, let Mommy video so she jumps.
Let me see you jump out of the tree. Get on those branches again.
That was taking a rest.
Yes, it is. That tree is taking a rest from you. Happy face. Are you going to jump out of the tree?
No,
Why? Let me see.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Jump this way.
I can't.
You did it twice.
I don't.
Come back here with those keys.
It's scary enough. Is this
Scary
one
now?
scary? No.
Don't step on it. It'll break.
And it will fall in the rock?
You'll fall and hurt yourself.
Jump out like you did before.
I can't.
Come on.
No. I want to go.
Don't step on that branch. You can't climb high in that tree. It's not big enough. You're going to fall.
You do think so? You think so?
Yeah. Jump this way, buddy. Let me see you jump.
You didn't get a couch it before. You didn't jump. Okay, so are you going to jump right there? Okay, wait for Mommy to get up there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, go!
I can't.
Come this way and jump.
I can't.
You did it before.
Good job.
How did you not get it?
I don't know. Are you okay?
No.
You're not okay?
No, I'm just fine. I'm fine.
I'm not okay. I'm just fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine. He says.
Are you getting a rest for a while? Yes, baby.
There's one in the tree. I just took this way. I just took this way.
Oh.
Let's take it again.
You're scared.
I'll take it again.
Well, don't go higher and jump. That's too high.
Is that too high?
Yes.
Don't jump.
Can I jump?
Can you?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's a hand.
Yes, it is.
It can't get easy. It can't be funky. It can't be funky. Bye,
Jump.
Oh my gosh. Ah, ah. What are you doing?
He's stuck. Oh my God. He's stuck in the tree. He's stuck in the tree, dude. He's stuck in the tree.
You did it. Yes.
Can I do it again?
I don't know. Can you?
Yeah.